Hello, welcome. Tobias here. Come and join me on my screen. We install WebinarIgnition, the overview of the functions and the backend. And in the next video, we will start installing and set up the first webinar. Okay, I was doing some steps. I was going to my WordPress backend and click Add Plugins and here hit install now. I was searching for WebinarIgnition. Hit install now. And I hope I not get burned by this ignition. So sure, I enable here the opt-in. That's very important. And then I come here to this nice screen and it says, please confirm your email address. Please do this. Otherwise, you don't see the account on the left. And yeah, that's not so good. So it's also telling you here, confirm. That would be good. And we give you all these videos and informations in the onboarding emails. Okay, yeah, that's the overview. And after opt-in, I would suggest you start the free trial plus get a $99 coupon. So that will be good. And it's only available here and upgrade now. So that guarantees you have all the features and can start, and everything we show in the tutorial you can do. That's the main purpose. Free trial, 7 days before the trial ends, reminder, and you can decide if you just want to have the monthly or the yearly and save $99, or pay once and save $99. Okay, this you start, and now we go inside. On webinars, we have the webinars overview. On create webinars, we create webinars. So go about the settings first. We have general settings, which is open now. Some footer we have for our pages because we want to have the minimalist links everywhere. We have some custom override for the colors. That's very good. We started it with the grid and continued with the registration page, where we continued with the other pages. Branding, it's good. You can add your affiliate link here and show the branding. And auto clean database is good. We auto log in the users on registration. Important, because then we can show name and email address and other stuff. WooCommerce, a lot, or total, if it's the same domain. Some honeypot we have on. We have for social registration. We can do the shortcode here, because social registration plugin have their shortcode, which is then added into the registration. Yeah. As we create an account, we can say, send the password emails or not, do email verification or not, but this is like global. You can set it up per webinar. If you have something where you say, there are some bad boys going in with the throwaway junk mails, then you need the email verification. Sure, the junk mails have also the email verification, but in the case somebody else adds something for somebody else, then this could be avoided. This is the mail to it, the mail body content, and hide the admin bar. It's important. Otherwise, you logged in as subscriber and we see the black bar like I see now, but it's the admin bar, and then otherwise it would be the subscriber bar. And we implemented also in the free version that the CTAs are triggered by our server. Sure, only the impulse that there's something new is sent via our server, and because WordPress can't handle these impulses and that your site go down, so it then say, new CTA call to action, and then it's loading it from your site. So only then your site gets some load. Spamminess check, very important. Just send an email to the mail tester URL email address, and then you see if your mails go through because the notifications are in WebinarIgnition. Or if you disable them and you say, oh, via webhooks or via HTML code, I send everything, then you can do it also outside. Email templates. I like email templates. So here also in these email templates, here you can set a header and yeah, just check how big it should be. And you can save and preview here. Then you have the from name, very important, and the from email, and the email signature below. And sure, we have the unsubscribe links for each webinar, special for the next webinar or for all webinars. But it's still inside only one webinar because we implemented this re-notification on live webinars. So everybody that was in the webinar, not unsubscribed, will be re-notified when you change the date to something new. More to this on the live webinars. Webhooks are here. Oh, yeah, that's one part you can see. Then we have the grid view. So webhooks are connecting your CRM, your autoresponder with WebinarIgnition. So your WebinarIgnition sending all the data there. Very good. The most data with field mapping. So if your first name is first underscore name and email marketing needs first minus name, then you can all do this inside WebinarIgnition. So it's worth it. We have the grid view here to show your webinars as an overview. You maybe have it in front of your first page and say, this is our offer. And then below you do the social stuff and everything. But this is like a very beautiful view and they're mobile responsive. And you can click the webinars together or show all and have a filter of live and evergreen. It's done by time zone calculating the webinars. So we have here the built-in 100 ms video integration. It's like Zoom, but Zoom is like not browser optimized. They have their app where everything is okay, but to put Zoom inside WebinarIgnition or inside something with an iframe, it was not good. So we decided to do the second choice, 100 ms, which has 10,003 minutes per month, every month, and then you pay 0.00 cents, 4 cents per minute. We have a support section, which having here the knowledge base, you can search it, and the changelog with the newest video. Yeah, and yeah, we do a lot, and we will release every month or during the month with the same version, like I did here. And affiliation, just join from here, and it's 40%, and we do lifetime. And here's the upgrade button again for the trial. So that's it somehow. And the plugin is really flexible. Flexible. I would say this is for Evergreen. Quick start. I would say join the free trial, then book an appointment here, and join the webinar on Thursday in English and on Wednesday in German, and watch the demo webinars. Oh, once show. Let's check it, because this has the nice filters here and the drop down. I'm in Panama. If you do Berlin, then it's changing to the time to Berlin from the webinars that have fixed dates, fixed time zones. Okay, and you see here, this is just beautiful. So I would say join the trial and go side by side with the video. Have the video on the side and do your website on the other side. So do the backend. I just show you. So it's like here. You can watch it on video, like here, and then do the page on the right side, and just do like the instructions in the video, starting here by create a webinar, and yeah, everything will be there in your language. Okay, thank you, and see you in the next videos, Tobias from WebinarIgnition.